Okay, overview. Under the Wings 82, part 16, August 9th, 2026. The allegorical sea monster is coming along, and there are additional allegorical sea monsters. How many do you see? These teeth took a lot of work. They're still in progress. Very toothsome sea monster. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Yeah. Ooh, gorgeous wings, darling. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How are we doing, Prime Minister Mazel? Okay? Good. Good, good, good. All right. If we were in the sea, we think of all kinds of sea movies. Jaws. The Poseidon Adventure. So many others. They could be going any which direction. Upside down, right side up, sideways. You name it. Oops. I got submerged by my fingers. I got ink on my fingers too. Yeah, that's right. Thank you, Dr. Chi. All right, there you have it for now, to be continued. Anne Frank, Margot Frank.